What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how you can get paid just for reading emails. And also guys, this company has paid over $57 million in cash rewards. So you can really think this company is not going to be scam, but why you should watch this video? Just because I will be sharing with you one secret on how you can make a lot more money with this website, okay, that nobody is going to share with you, but I will be sharing with you how you can increase your income. But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now guys, the website that I want to share with you is this. Okay, basically it is the Inbox Dollars, and look at this, they have paid over $57 million in cash rewards. So you can really think that this website is really legit, and also there are only positive reviews from this website, and you can get paid in many ways. Okay, let me show you some of the reviews. Look at this, based on 5,635 reviews, they have given it a great rating. Okay, look at this, 5-star. I have been with Inbox Dollar for 5 years or more, and I cashed out numerous times. I earned $85 and received my first check. Trust in Inbox Dollars to protect my privacy and inbox. There are thousands and thousands of reviews for this company, and the best part is this, these are fresh reviews, 5 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 36 hours ago, 2 days ago. So you can really think that this company is going to be legit. Okay, this site is a complete waste of time, literally guys. There are some of the negativity. Even if you are going to be the best, not everybody is going to be care for you. There will be somebody who is going to hate you. So this is the exact thing. I have done my complete research. Look at this guy is saying you get disqualified from most surveys. Yeah, that because of the location, but you can get paid for reading emails on this website, for taking surveys, for watching videos, for playing games, and for you are also going to get the rewards for shopping as well, and also you can get the coupon cash rewards as well. So as you can see, there are tons and tons of options, but the best part is this guys, you are also going to get a $5 worth bonus when you are just going to join this website. So you can really think the opportunity is really good, and this website is not going to run because it's working from around 18 plus years. Okay, and look at their partners over here. Their partners, Netflix, Target is the biggest kind of the chain. It's like Walmart. Okay, and probably there is nothing to be tell about this website. Okay, so now guys, you can literally come over here and sign up by just entering your email password, and then you can log in over here. But how you can cash out, and what is the minimum and maximum limit and all those things. So basically you can cash out when you will be having a $30 in your account. Okay, and they are having literally a ton of options, but the one thing that I don't like is they do not have the PayPal option. Okay, they do not have the PayPal option, but there is one better thing. I think either they are going to pay you by the prepaid Visa debit card or something like that. Okay, so what you can do, you can take the money into that, and then you can spend it anywhere in the world. So it's also like a good option, and you can take the money in there. Okay, yeah, processing fees for the card is high. It's about $3 it's about yeah, if you are going to check this out, it's about $30 the least payment. And if you are just going to take your first payment, it is going to take you 10 to 16 days, but after that you will be considered as a gold member, and then you will be paid faster. You will be paid within a week. So that's what and also look at this, have tons of options. Look at this, the Visa debit card, Amazon, Walmart, and there are many other you can use. Okay, and they also pay via check if you want to get paid by check. The check era will take around 14 days or something like that. Okay, so now guys, what is the one secret that I want to share with you, and that is going to really increase your income very much. So basically guys, as I was looking for the review system, I'm sorry, the referral system of this website, so I found that they are going to pay you 10% of whatever your friends are going to earn. Okay, so literally guys, it's really a good option. For example, let's say if you have referred to 100 people, you might be thinking 100 people are a really lot. How am I going to do that? But I will be sharing with you how you can easily do that. Okay, so let's say you have referred to 100 people. Let's say you have referred to 100 people, and every 100 out of it's not like everyone is going to earn $100 but at least you can say that 10 out of those 10%, let's say 10 are going to make $2 to $5 or only $2, so that's about $20, and the rest 50 are going to make at least $1 to $2. That's not a big deal guys. So in overall, if they are at least making $100, okay, then still you have a 10% even if you are doing nothing. So that's about $10 every single day. And the best part is this, the traffic source, the method I'm going to share with you, to get referrals. Once you are going to do the work, you will start getting referrals on autopilot. Every single day you will see 3-5 referrals are coming in on autopilot. And if let's say there are only 5 to 10 members are coming every single day, so that's about at least 300 members in just a month. Okay, in just a month you have 300 members, and if you can easily make at least $30 from 300 members, because some are going to make $10, $15, some are going to make $1, some are not going to make even a single dollar. So that's what I want to share with you. And you can also make this make money by the self method, by reading emails and all those stuff. So now guys, the method that I want to share with you is the Quora. Basically what you can do, you can visit the Quora.com, and thereafter you are going to see there are a ton of people are asking a lot of questions. So what you can do, you can literally come in the search bar and want to search, for example, how to make money. So when you are going to search this, okay, so when you are going to search this, look at this, how to make money, what is the best way to make money, what is the easiest way to make money. So literally guys, these are the most easiest way. You cannot get a easier way, you cannot get an easy way of making money other than watching videos, getting paid to read emails and doing surveys. All these things are literally very easy. So what you can do, you can simply go to these questions, and then what you need to do, you need to give them a good answer. You can tell them that there is an opportunity called Inbox Dollars, and it is really paying from about 18-19 years, and it has paid out $57 million. And if you are going to join with this link, you will get a $5. Okay, you will get $5 for completely free. Okay, and also guys, you can get paid over here by just reading emails and all those things. And also you can share some of the reviews from here by taking screenshot, or if you have gotten paid, you can also do that as well. So these are the things you can do once you are going to do this. Let's say you are going to answer 10 questions every single day. So in a month you are going to have 300 questions. You have answered 300 questions, and let's say only 10%, only look at this guys, the Quora is having really high traffic. Let me just show you one of the answer. Look at this one answer. Look at they haven't added up the, okay, the answer is lengthy, so let's just go below and let me check. Yeah, this guy has really done a pretty lengthy answer. He absolutely has gotten thousands of views, at least thousands of views. Okay, it's really a lengthy answer. Look at this guys, this guy has gotten over 14,000 views. He's just one answer has gotten over 14,000 views. So if out of 14,000 views only 10% are going to join the Inbox Dollars, he has gotten over 1,400 members from here. That means he is going to earn at least $500 to $1,000 every single day. So that's what I want to share with you, that these things really work guys. And if you are going to do 300 questions in a month, you will see that about 200 of your answers are getting about 5 to 10 views a day. Okay, and if you are going to get 5 to 10 views a day, you can easily get 1 or 2 referrals from there. Okay, so now you have 200 questions, those are giving you every single day about 5 to 10 views, but rest of them, or if only 10% of them are getting 1000 in a month, they can easily get 2-3,000 views. So if 30 of them are going to get 1000 views, that's about 30,000 views. And just forget about all of the other answers, only 10% are going to give you the most amount of views. So out of 30,000, can you just imagine that if 10% are going to join your opportunity, 10%, or if at all there cannot be bad anything than 10%. Okay, 10%, that means 3,000, and if at least they are making 50 cents, that's still $1,500. So you can really think that this is really a good opportunity. Do not just think that you will start getting the referrals from day one. Yeah, it will take time. You need to provide the good answer. Look at this, how much value this guy is giving. You do not need to give this much value, but you need to give value. You need to tell them that what are the legit ways. Then you can link out to this page, okay, this website, and you can tell them that you will get $5 bonus for free if you would join with my link. Okay, so this is the way you can start getting referrals for this website. And also guys, when you are going to write the answers, your answers will be over here for lifetime, and you will keep on getting referrals even when you are sleeping, or you are just sitting on a couch and watching television. You will be getting the referrals on autopilot. So I really hope that this video has helped you a lot. And also, if you want to build a successful business on of making at least $100 every single day, then check out the first link in the description, because there I will be teaching you how you can make at least $100 per day. So bye bye now, bye bye and tata guys, and I will see you in the training. Okay.